Hey, so yeah, this is how I work on it. Okay, let's see. This is one of my own video clip. Okay, so let's see how much I want of the video clip. Okay, all right. I'm gonna make a cut right here. Okay, and there we go. I just make a cut, and I'm gonna delete this other part here, and there we go, perfect. And so okay, but there's something is not right. Okay, there's something is not right. So I'm gonna go back. Okay, I'm gonna go back and let's play one more time. Yeah, well, let's go back, and I wanna make it a little bit smaller. Okay, when there is a turn. Okay, the car just turn around. The sunlight on the car. Yeah, perfect. See, the sunlight is on the car. Okay, that was looking much better. Let's go, and there we are. We're going. Let's see how long we are. And that's perfect place for me to end the screen. And there we go, perfect. This is more than enough for us. Okay, we're gonna make one more cut here, and we'll come on. Yeah, a little bit more. I say so. And yeah, okay. Let's make a cut here. Yeah, that was perfect. Okay, let's make a cut here and delete the other parts from here. And there we go. Looking good, right? Like it's a small amount of it, but the starting, okay, the beginning and the end is perfect for to starting point, and the end point is perfect. Okay, so that's why I do that. Okay, this is how it's looking. Okay, perfect, looking like it's a drift, and then bam. And we're also gonna add some end screen animation and beginning animation. You know, like I'm saying that. Yeah, perfect. So now I want to increase the volume of the video. Okay, because there's not much sound on it. Okay, so I also want to increase the volume. Okay, and I also want people to hear my voice clearly. So that's why I'm gonna tap here, isolation, equalization, perfect. Now it sounds much better. Okay, so this is important. Okay, like if you work on your video, like you work hours on your video is really good, but it doesn't sound good, then it's bad news for you. Like viewers not gonna stay if they really don't like your voice. Okay, and I'm trying my best. Okay, I'm trying my best. Okay, here. So like, hey, okay, let me see. Let's check this out. Okay, yeah, okay. Well, okay, that sounds much better than before. Okay, well, we can do much more, but let's stay here. Okay, perfect. Sound much better than before. Okay, the background noise does remove. Okay, there's no more voice. Okay, and now the caption. I'm gonna tap here. Okay, once I tap, and there we go. I got the caption. Okay, see up here? Those are the caption. See? Yeah, those are the caption. Okay, you wanna see? Yeah, I think you guys can see a little bit of the caption, right? Like, yeah, those are the caption, and I will show you the entire result. Okay, my result of my work. Okay, it's still there. Okay, now that's all good, and now I wanna add some animation. Okay, this one looking good. Perfect. Okay, much better. What about here? And let's go. Yeah, okay, like I was trying to add it on my text, but we can't add that. So just come back to add it on the end screen. Okay, so okay, the animation is really good, so I'm not going to change it. And that's the end screen. See, now I need a starting point animation. Okay, so let's try one more at a time. How does this look? Yeah, you know what, I really don't like this one. Like, nope, for some reason I really don't like this. I need a short amount of animation, a shortcut. Okay, yeah, let's see how does this one look. Okay, yeah, nope, doesn't like that either. I'm gonna change that. Okay, let's see. We got an option here, so okay, no, that doesn't look good either. Nope, doesn't look good. Yeah, perfect. This is the one I'm talking about, a shortcut. Just look, see, it's really shortcut animation. See that? And it's a first shortcut and clean animation. That's what I'm talking about. I want to see one more time. Let's see it. And okay, I'm gonna zoom it right now. Okay, let me give me some time. And okay, now we're gonna save the video. Okay, tap here. I think I'm talking a bit much. Okay, now if you're gonna just tap save, you're not gonna still get the caption. Okay. You see here, it's saying caption, tap here and tap here, go down, tap here and tap OK, okay? And by seeing, you're able to see it down there, your caption English, you know, the stage, you see that? Yeah, that's the language you're gonna get, and just tap it, tap save, and let's show you the final result, okay? And there we go. Some of the stuff, and I'm going to talk about all of them, okay? So now, first of all, people are not happy about the crocodile teeth. I think you know about that, okay? Like,